What's up? Welcome to Mantry. We are doing a quick, brothy, mushroomy bowl of hearty soup. We're going to start with a little Parmesan stock. Sounds really fancy, very simple to make. We're just going to cut up some bacon. Use Parmesan rinds. This is a great way to use kind of your leftover rinds after you grate up the cheese. Next, we'll just slice up an onion, pretty thick, because we're going to cook it down for a bit and we still want it to maintain its texture. Okay, onions going in with the thyme and the Parmesan. This isn't going to be like a normal stock where you strain it. All this flavor is going to go into the actual kind of brothy, mushroomy thing. So all that good stuff at the bottom of the pan there, we're just going to get it by deglazing with a bit of sherry vinegar. And just before we add the water, I'm actually going to add some white beans to this, just to add a little hardiness to it. So for water, just enough to kind of cover maybe a third of this pot. So I went down to the market and just picked up a bunch of these mushrooms. It looks like you got some enoki here. These are shimiji, a couple shiitake. You can use whatever mushrooms you can find. Good, bad, you can use regular brown mushrooms. You can go up to chanterelle, portobello, porcini, whatever you can find. It doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to give them a rough chop, kind of slice them however you decide. These ones, just cut them like that. The shimijis, we'll just take the bottom off and try and leave them in these nice kind of clusters like that, I think will work. So as you can see, you kind of have this mixture. And we're just going to saute these off in a little bit of olive oil, butter, garlic, and we'll be ready to go. We'll start things off with a nice healthy dose of butter. Drop in the shrooms. Stock's looking about good. It's about 20 minutes now. That's what you're looking for, is that brown sear happening. And you get that by just letting it sit and cook. Don't move it around too much. In with the garlic. A touch more of that sherry vinegar to pull everything off the bottom. Bunch of salt. A bit more pepper. And we're just going to strip in some thyme. Just like that, just the green parts. Just grab this sprig like that. Perfect. Okay, so to serve this up, we're going to go with a little bit of mushrooms in the bottom of the bowl. And then we're just going to hit it with some of that beanie bacon broth. We'll give this one the Grana Padano treatment. So a little parm over the top and a touch of good olive oil. That is one tasty, delicious, quick meal. Nice mushrooms in there, sharpness from the Parmesan, heartiness from the bacon and beans. It's a beauty.